Hello everybody, this is Dominoes 7. I'd like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 vlog, okay? And by the way, today is my mom's birthday. Want to wish her a happy heavenly birthday, okay? So today, she would have been 60 years old today, okay? I'm about to go get that picture of us, and I'm going to go get my mom's obituary, so I'll be right back, okay? Alright, y'all, here I am. Alright, this is my mom's obituary. I think I read it and showed y'all before, okay? Alright, and here is us. This is my brother Brock right here. This is my mom, and this is me, okay? This picture was taken when we was living in New Iberia, okay? I missed that place though, okay? Alright, my mom would have been 60 this year, okay? Okay, so I remember on this day in 2008, it was a Saturday, okay? Okay, so the family came from New Orleans to throw my mama a 50th birthday party. This was in 2008. I would never forget that day, you know. About 20 years ago, I do believe, okay? No, 10 years ago, huh? Well, was it 10 years ago, 2018? 2008? Yeah. All right. So as I was saying, folks, it was fun. My mom had bad birthdays, had good birthdays and stuff like that, you know? I just wish that she would have still been here though, okay? She appeared on my shows. If y'all been watching my past episodes on this channel and other channels and stuff like that, you know, okay? I shouldn't. All right, here's our obituary again, with no pictures and stuff in it, you know. Okay, y'all read it again. Okay. Alright, so even though she is dearly missed, you know. And you know something? My ex Tanya, my best friend, or should I say ex-best friend or best friend or whatever, she wished my mom a happy birthday one day. She called my mom up one day. Well, she wanted to speak to my mom and wish my mom a happy birthday. That was like in 2011, 2012. And she in 2013, 2014, not 2014. My mistake on that. Okay. So the thing is though, I miss my mom and I miss Tanya though. Okay. So Tanya, if you're watching this video, I'm not lying to you about what happened to my mom. Okay. She probably thought I was trying to contact her on a funny style, but hell no. I have responsibilities, okay? I got a house to run, and I got bills to pay, okay? Alright, so we gonna get to that another time, okay? So, today I'm celebrating my mom's birthday, wishing my mom happy birthday, doing this vlog and stuff like that. Now let me show y'all a picture of us again, okay? So, here we are, okay? Y'all see? Yep. This picture was taken in 2011 on Christmas Day. The best years of my life in the Barry. Even though I was boring out there and stuff like that. At least my mama had a good birthday out there. At least I had a good birthday out there and stuff like that, you know. But it was worth it. It was really worth it. Okay? I wish my mom was here so she could witness me buying a house. You know? And paying off the mortgages and stuff like that, you know. I mean, I wish she was here for my success, you know. I know she watching this video from heaven, you know. I know my grandmother and my deceased aunts is watching this video from heaven, you know. They're better off than we are, you know. So, may she rest in peace. May God bless her. Okay. And thank y'all for watching. Alright. Happy birthday, Mom. I miss you. Okay. Wish you were still here with us. Alright. God bless.